Assalamu alaikum. Let's start HVAC test 4. First question. Which component removes heat from the refrigerant in a chiller? Condenser. What happens if the chilled water flow rate through the evaporator is too low? Evaporator may freeze due to low refrigerant boiling temperature. What is the purpose of an economizer in a centrifugal chiller? Improve chiller efficiency by subcooling and two-stage expansion. Next question. In a water-cooled chiller, high condenser approach temperature indicates what? Condenser tube fouling or poor heat transfer. What is the function of an expansion tank in a chilled water system? To absorb thermal expansion of water and maintain system pressure.